Hello. In this video, you'll learn how to preview and test the accessibility of your project. First, open your project and navigate to the slide you want to test. Click Preview and select this slide. Use a screen reader or built-in accessibility tools to check the alt text. Ensure each object has a descriptive alt text. Use the Tab key to navigate through slide elements and check the focus order. If needed, exit the preview mode and rearrange the elements to ensure the order is logical and intuitive. Click Save and preview the slide again to verify the changes. Ensure all text, images, and interactive elements are read correctly. You can also use screen readers like JAWS, NVDA, VoiceOver, or TalkBack to test accessibility. That's it. You've successfully tested the accessibility of your project. Thank you for watching.